Hello all, happy Dasara to all of you. Today's topic is website versus web application. Please click on below red button to do subscribe. The very first difference is website is informational, whereas web application is more like interactive. So website is just an online business visiting card, whereas web application is like you are automating some processes or some interactions online. Generally speaking, website has static web pages where content is not frequently changing. In case of web application, content can be modified more frequently using admin login credentials which is provided to you. Additionally, web application will have public web pages as good as website, and along with those it will have some master pages where you can create, add, delete, modify the content. So typical example of a simple website is like it has about us page, some contact information online. Whereas web application can have similar kind of pages which are public facing, like about us or contact information, but along with that it will have some online processes. So typical example of a web application is like online job portal where candidates can upload their resumes and they will get automated responses. So this kind of web application generally has master pages where admin can log in and he or she can do add, edit, delete, modify of the content. So that is more helpful. Hope this high level information will help you while choosing website or web application for your business. Crashdev can help you in developing web application or websites. So do contact us, and we do develop website or web application taking into consideration of security, performance and ease of use. So it will be surely benefit you.